Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I am Rico, and today we're going to do one of the most requested drinks off of absolutdrinks.com, our wonderful website. We're going to do the Blood Orange Cosmo. New Absolut Mandrin coming through there is beautiful. It has that almost like candied mandarin peel flavor. And don't forget, guys, if you enjoy all these recipes, give us a like. It's really going to help with the show. Also, please subscribe. We want more subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and we'll thank you later. As you know, we only make 2 drinks because you should never drink alone. The original Cosmo recipe is like a 2-1-1 recipe. It's 50 mils of citron vodka, 25 mils of lime juice, 25 mils of triple sec, and just a little touch of cranberry. This one takes that recipe, throws it out the window, creates a brand new drink, and we still call it a Cosmo. So we're gonna start off with the brand new tasting, new flavor, new bottle, Absolut Mandrin. And we're gonna want 45 mils per drink of Absolut Mandrin. Going straight in. This drink actually calls for the equal parts cranberry juice and vodka, so that's 45 mils. Next up, we want 15 mil of triple sec. So I'm gonna put 30 straight in for both our drinks. Next up, we're gonna put some lime in, and we're gonna go for around about 5 mil of lime juice per drink, so that's 10 mil going in for both the drinks. And as I said, this is the Blood Orange Cosmopolitan. So we need to add 10 mils of blood orange juice to that drink, so that's 20 mils going straight in. Let's give this a shake and let's give this a try. There we go. So we've shaken that quite hard, so we're definitely gonna fine strain that. We're serving in some huge martini glasses, so we wanna make sure that there is no ice floating around. Last but not least, we need a little garnish. Now, on Absolut Drinks, it doesn't actually recommend you do a garnish, but I'm gonna put a nice little blood orange zest on there, just because I think it needs a little bit of color. I'm not doing a big one, just want a nice little one that we can zest on the top, get those oils in, and discard. And there we go, guys, the Blood Orange Cosmo. Great color, look at that. Nice pink color. Too dark for a normal Cosmo, but let's give this a go out. Great drink, you've been requesting it, there it is. I'm gonna try my preferred one out. No messing around, we're gonna be quick with this. So we're gonna go 45 on the Mandarin. What the am I doing? So 45 on the Mandarin. God damn it. 45 on the Blood Orange. We're gonna go 10 on that cranberry. Such a weird. We're gonna go 5 on this, and then 15 on the triple sec. Good icing. Now in the proper glass, the real drink. So now, I'm gonna zest some more blood orange. Get that on, drop that in. So here we go. Blood Orange Cosmo 2.0. This is exactly the same drink. We've just switched around the proportions of cranberry juice and blood orange juice. I think it's a much better color. Let's give it a taste. Nailed it. The Absolut Mandrin is that kind of like candied mandarin peel, like I said earlier, together with the blood orange juice and the fact we can now taste the blood orange juice. It's really giving that dry finish that a Cosmopolitan should have. This is my preferred drink. from this one, but it doesn't mean this one's a bad drink. They're both fantastic. So we want to see what you do. Post all your drinks on social media and tag them hashtag at Absolut Drinks. And we want to see what you do with your little twist and variations. What I'm trying to say, guys, is that there's nothing really wrong here when you experiment. It's only wrong if it tastes nasty. That's it. And this tastes great. This has been Absolut Drinks with Rico. This has been the Blood Orange Cosmo and the Blood Orange Cosmo 2.0. And now I'm out. Bye.